We are Sunridges Specialty Hospital.
I'm Dr. Tushar Kumar this side. I represent the family who owns this hospital, Sunridges. We have started this particular hospital with a vision that it has to be a doctor-centric, patient-centric, and the most important thing is it has to be personalized for doctor as well as the patient.
मैं डॉक्टर संजीव मेहता हूँ, मैं चेस्ट स्पेशलिस्ट हूँ। हम छाती की बीमारियों की इलाज करते हैं, टीबी, अस्थमा, लंग कैंसर, ये सारी भी होती हैं और साथ साथ में इंटेंसिव केयर या आईसीयू के भी पेशेंट्स हम लोग देखते हैं। अभी मैं इंडियन चेस्ट सोसाइटी का महाराष्ट्र चेंबर का स्टेट चेयरमैन हूँ और पिछले 2 साल मैं वर्ल्ड का जो अमेरिकन कॉलेज ऑफ चेस्ट फिजिशियंस हैं उनका भी मैं रीजेंट रह चुका हूँ। रीजेंट मतलब मैं पहला इंडियन था जो उनके बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में था अमेरिका में।
I am Dr. Hemant Vadyar. I am a specialist surgeon dealing with gastrointestinal and liver and pancreas problems.
My name is Dr. Neeraj Vora and I am an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery, and I do most of my work over here at the Sunridges Hospital in Juhu.
I'm Dr. Atul Wankhede. I'm a full-time consultant in orthopedic department at Sunridges Specialty Hospital. I'm here since almost 2.5 years now. We have completed a very successful run so far.
I'm Dr. Rupa Doshi. I'm a physiotherapist with 35 years of experience. So many of my patients have been treated at Sunridges. They have always gone home with a lot of positive energy. They all feel good, very good being here. And whoever comes, they go with a positive energy and feeling good about themselves.
The Sunridges Hospital is a specialty hospital which has got 50 beds at the moment, fully equipped to handle pretty much all kinds of surgery. We have an ICU setup, we have an operating theatre which has got laminar airflow with multiple air changes per hour. We do about 20 air changes an hour, which is ideally suited for joint replacement surgery. State-of-the-art technology in terms of equipment, and you could probably say that we are on par with any of the other larger hospitals in the city.
A nice, cozy, compact place where we have all the kind of facilities available for our patients. It's got a really nice operating theatre which is the surgeon's delight. I suppose we have got very good rooms, a very nice nursing staff working for us, and the food to die for. So yeah, we have covered almost everything.
We are trying our best to offer an alternative to the patients who are looking for healthcare of international quality and standards at prices which are not international rates.
Normally hospitals are hospitals. The infrastructures of any big hospitals, you could actually find it here in terms of your infection controls or type of laminar flow, which probably you will be covering it in your this thing. But the most important aspect is that we have a team-based approach. Right from your pre-operative assessment to the post-operative care, there's a multidisciplinary team approach, and that has improved to the length of stay of the patient, that we have been able to reduce the length of stay of the patient for various surgical procedures. Also, the American system of value-based healthcare, which is a very new concept in USA, is something which we have adopted, and that is creating a lot of transparency in terms of the patient treatment, a lot of controls, and that has helped in reducing the cost. And I think you will actually look at it, and when you will talk with the people, they will appreciate on this particular aspect.
Our hospital is definitely very different from the others. I can confidently say that we provide personalized healthcare. Every patient is not just looked upon as some kind of a disease or a problem. It's the patient that gets the treatment, personalized and without a single shadow of a doubt, affordable healthcare.
सबसे जरूरी ये है कि हमारा जो इंटेंसिव केयर यूनिट है वो पहली बात तो ये है कि बहुत वेल इक्विप्ड है। अब आप इतने सीरियस पेशेंट को अगर आप ट्रीट करेंगे तो उसके लिए बहुत औजार लगते हैं, बहुत इक्विपमेंट लगती है, बहुत स्पेशलाइज्ड होनी चाहिए। तो आई थिंक पहली बात तो ये है कि बहुत वेल इक्विप्ड और हर चीज को देख सकता है, हर बीमारी का हम लोग यहाँ पे समाधान कर सकते हैं, ट्रीट कर सकते हैं।
The treatments for these mostly involve some kind of a surgical method, which includes a laparoscopic procedure for removal of the gallbladder called as a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. For the cancers that we face, most of these cancers are usually treated by surgery, which could be either open surgery, which involves removal of a part of the intestine, a part of the stomach, or a part of the liver or pancreas, wherever the cancer may be. Alternatively, these same procedures sometimes can be performed through a laparoscopy or a minimal invasive approach as well. At Sunridges Hospital, we have excellent operation theatres which are capable of dealing with all of these problems, and the post-operative care that is needed for these patients in the term of an ICU as well as the nursing and other supportive care that is needed is all available at Sunridges Hospital. Sunridges Hospital is a relatively new hospital which has been set up in the Juhu area and which is catering to patients with all gastrointestinal disorders and other disorders as well. It has got state-of-the-art facilities in the operation theatres as well as the intensive care unit and also in the diagnostic and in the wards. So most of all my patients who have come here have returned completely satisfied with the medical care, the nursing care as well as the infrastructure that is provided in the hospital.
The reason you should come to Sunridges Hospital is because you know that you will be looked after very well. You will receive the highest quality of healthcare that is possible at a price which you will be surprised to know is not what you are expecting it to be, because a lot of people believe that because we are located in an area which is viewed to be as an upper middle class kind of an area of the city, that the prices are going to be, it's not like that.
Our mantra is stay fit, stay healthy, and we always feel that prevention is better than cure. So the advice is always that you be healthy, but if you really require medical ailment, treatment for medical ailment, I would say that my team of doctors, my staff and the entire support service, a team like my housekeeping or my security for that matter or my back office, they are the strong team who is passionate about their work, and they will make them feel that they are at home. And that's the biggest difference what you are going to find. And we would say that you should actually, if you are coming at Sunridges, this is why you will be coming at it. Because the surgeons are also passionate, the doctors are passionate, and they only think about patient and patient and patient.
The USP of the organizations is the personalized touch that we have with our patients and their relatives. So yeah, we've had a personal relationship with the patients while celebrating their birthdays. We have cut cakes on their birthdays in our rooms after the surgery has been done. Celebrations like Dandiya to celebrate the successful run of so many surgeries in knee replacements. So all the patients who have gotten operated have had that celebration with us. We have a personalized touch with all the patients. That is something which really strikes to all our patients, that we take their care to the level of personalization. We make sure they are provided with almost everything, and we have a good relationship with all of them. Yes.
As I said, we will make sure that the patient goes away from here happy, satisfied with their clinical outcome as well as with the entire experience in the hospital, starting from housekeeping, going all the way up to the treating doctor.
The team consists of all the top doctors from Mumbai in all the specialties. Our backbone is our sisters, which work in the operation theatres, who have got more than 20 years of experience in the field.
We have a dedicated team of nurses, physiotherapists, housekeeping staff, front office reception staff, as well as the supporting medical staff and physiotherapists. Each person, I think, is doing the job that they are because they like what they do and not because they're getting paid for what they do. And I think that sets us apart from very many other hospitals in the city. Patients always mention their feedback about the personalized attention that they receive, especially from our nurses. And I think that's a very, very, very proud thing to have.
Hospital in a very short span of around 2.5 years has actually crossed more than 9,000 plus patients and almost 1,000 joints or 1,000 surgeries what we have done. We are now looking at, is what I understand from the doctors, is they are actually looking at setting up the other specialities also within this, so that we have the holistic multidisciplinary care with a certain thrust areas. So the whole motivation was that we need to create something which is where they feel that they are at home. And I think the team of doctors who are managing this hospital, I congratulate all of them, and of course the staff, that they have achieved that concept so well that the patient actually gets connected to the hospital, not only from their pre-op, but not out to their post-operative surgery, but also to the extent that they continue to be our ambassadors in referring patients and coming for all our programs what the hospital organizes for them. Enjoy your food, enjoy your life, but do control your food habits, do control your other habits. Make sure that you do workouts, you burn your calories and stay fit. An apple a day keeps a doctor away, but not if the doctor is really handsome.
Well, it's a very nice place to be. It's a place which is very connected, centrally located, and it's a very warm and a cozy place and a nice ambience. I suppose one should come and have a look to be connected with us.
What I would like to say to your viewers is that please look after your health, please be healthy, please do exercise regularly, please keep your weight under control, please make sure that you're extremely healthy, but if you're not, please come to us.
Sunridges Specialty Hospital. Inspired Healthcare.